Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a student visa to study in UK. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened UK government visa site where I have gone for student visa. Here you have been given all the requirements, all the rights that you get, and all the activities uh, that you need to go through. Okay, and then you can apply. Okay, fee is also given 524 from outside UK, and also there's a process to apply inside UK. Processing time is also given. Like if you go for processing time, uh, yeah, 3 weeks generally from outside and 8 weeks from inside. Okay, and you can apply up to 6 months in advance if you are doing it from uh outside. Okay, and if you arrive before your course starts, you can arrive up to 1 month before. If your course lasts up to 1 week before, if your course lasts 6 months or less, up to 1 month before if it lasts more than 6 months. Okay, so all things are here. So once you have it ready, we can go to the next page and see how we can apply. Click on apply online. This is actually the application. Documents, if you want to see, you can see here. Passport, proof of funds, ATS certificate if you really need it, consent if you're under 18, tuberculosis test results, written consent for application from your financial sponsor. Okay, fine. Then also you need to have English knowledge too. So they accept SCLT test, GCSE. Wow. Okay, just go through it, and if you really need, once you are ready to apply, go for apply online. Okay, we have seen documents, so click on start now. Where are you planning to live? I select this. So you need to do as per your case. Okay. Do you have a current European Union E or Swiss passport? I select no. Do it as per your own case. All the information, see sample. Of course, I'm not going to submit. Select a country to provide your biometrics. So this is Visa Application Center where you will go and provide your biometrics. So I'm again doing it for the sample. Thanks. So VFS Global, okay, they operate in India in order to go for this application. Okay, so in India, like I'm going to open the VFS site here so that you can check. Some additional things I can show you. See, these are the visa application centers where you can apply. So many they have. Wow. So when you apply at this UK immigration site that we were through, we'll go back to it, and you will need to pay the fee. Okay. So once you complete this, you will get a reference number. Okay. And with this reference number, you can book your appointment at VFS. Okay. And then you can upload your documents online that we had gone through checklist. It will also be mentioned later. And then you'll go to attend the appointment at the visa application center and go for biometrics. Okay. And then once your application, everything is submitted, then if it is granted, you are all good to go. All right, now we'll go through the application. So, all right, I go for next. Before you apply, read the guideline. How to apply now. Okay. Email address, create password, and then save and continue. Of course, it's going to send an email to what it does is like you put your email additional email. I have selected no, but if you have definitely provide that. Why wouldn't your telephone number? Provide your telephone number. Only include number phone number, include the country code. So 91 I'll include. For use while in UK, for use outside UK, and it's a mobile number I select. Do you have any other telephone number? It's always good to provide. Why not? But I select no because I want to make the application simple. I can be contacted by telephone, call, and a text message. I select yes. Why not? Do you have a Fulgate Marshall Covenant Commonwealth Scholarship? I select no. Do you have a confirmation of acceptance number? I select yes. Let me see if I can bypass this format. At least 14 characters. 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 9, 12. Number not found. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. Oh wow! But there was a warning. It will be refused. Of course, you should have it. So you should have that CS number that you need to enter there because this is just sample video. I'm doing this. When will your course start? So I'll just put a date. Remember the format. When the course ends, I'll just say 2 years master degree, for example. Enter the name shown in your passport. Given name, family name. Any other name that if you ever had any name, I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that. Gender, relationship, address. Of course, you know your address. Postal code, country. Is this address also your correspondence address? I select yes. How long have you lived at this address? I'll select uh, 20 years. 20 years, and you own the address. Passport number. Issuing authority. This you'll find in your passport itself. Write exactly what is written. When was it issued? Expiry date. You have a valid national ID card. I select yes. And you can provide the number. In India, you have Aadhaar, PAN card. I had used my PAN card and it was successful. But because of the sample video, I just select no. Country of nationality. Country of birth. Place of birth. Anything you write here, make sure you check it 2 times. You don't want to do any simple mistake and then later on come and struggle that, oh my God, what exactly you did wrong. Do you currently hold or have you ever hold any other nationalities? I select no. Have you provided evidence of your English language in a previous application? Meeting the language requirement of language, for example, score level between application. You must have been granted a visa or permission to stay after meeting the language requirement at test level beyond above, for example, taught in English. I select yes. We may have to talk to you about your application. Which language you prefer? I select English. Financially, people, does anyone depend financially on you? I select no. Your parent details you have to do. So mother's details, I'll say Stella Smith. I'll make Stella of a year 1976. Country of nationality. Have they always had the same nationality? I select yes. Father, I'll just say Peter. Peter Smith. That's in 1975. The same nationality, I select yes. Family who live in the UK. Do you have any family member in UK? I select no. Traveling as part of organized group, I select no. Traveling with another person, I select no, but if you are traveling with someone, I definitely provide that. Where will you stay? I select yes. Do you know where you'll be staying in UK? So let's say you have already searched your address. I'm just putting manual because I don't have any address there. But I assume you already have. Enter postcode. Ah. Okay, just give me a second. I'll find out. I'll see you next guys. I'll somehow bypass this. I managed to bypass that. Other places you will stay while in UK. Hotel, bed, breakfast. I select no, but definitely a lot of you will have this. Have you ever been to UK in past 10 years? I select no. Have you ever been issued a UK visa in past 10 years? I select no. Travel to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, or the European Economic Area, EEA? I select no. World travel. Have you been to any other country in past 10 years? I select no. When you plan to arrive in UK? So I'll just say January end sometime, right? Or either the UK or any other country, have you been refused visa required to leave? I select no. Breach of UK immigration law? I select no. Convictions? No. I mean, don't do answers like this. Go through it and then do. War crimes? I select no. Involved in terrorist activity group. Extremist organization views. No. Person of good care. Have you ever part of employment or taken paid unpaid activity part of which is dangerous to this? Engaged in activity. Read it and then do. Have you ever employed for any of these armed forces, intelligence? My God. Sponsor license and address number. What is your sponsor license number? CS statement. Valid address, town, city. Okay, I'm gonna somehow bypass it. So guys, unfortunately, I'm not able to bypass this step. So, but yes, if you have a CS statement, definitely you have this. So put that. Next, they're gonna ask you more questions about your study, where you are going to study, because duration they have already asked by now that you had seen also. And of course, finances, how you're gonna pay, how much money you have. They're also gonna ask you your employment history, your study that we have seen in other student visa, other tourist visa application too. And then there'll be declaration, and in next step you'll have to upload all the documents. They will give you the checklist also, declaration, pay, and then further action. They will send you the email about booking appointment with the visa application center for your biometric, and it will take it up from there. And what you have to do at visa application center, we have already gone through it, so I don't have to repeat that again for you. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.